don't worry, you're not gonna OD on creatine. So a question that I have come up quite a bit is how much creatine is too much creatine? I'm here to tell you the range of creatine that has been proven to be both safe and effective is pretty big. So creatine monohydrate has been very well known, very well established as a safe and effective supplement, proven in research to support muscle gain, muscle retention, improved recovery times, mental performance increases or improvement in mental performance, memory, focus, things like that. Great for brain health and many other things. Long story short, many, if not most, benefit greatly from creatine supplementation. Now, a lot of people want to jump on creatine, but they're not exactly sure how much, when to take it, all those things. I'm going to clear it up right here. So creatine monohydrate supplementation has been shown to be safe and effective, safe at a range of 5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily, all the way up to 30 grams daily. That's a pretty big gap. My recommendation for most people, if you're looking for the benefits in the gym, take 5 grams of creatine monohydrate every single day. If you're looking for the benefits to be more on the cognitive side, so the brain health, mental performance side of things, then you're gonna wanna take 10 grams of creatine monohydrate daily. That's a good baseline and a good range for you to work within. From what we can tell, 5 grams of creatine monohydrate seems to be the number that you want in order to get the muscle saturation that you're looking for. Everything above that is gonna move on to the cognitive side of things. Now, that being said, if you're looking for both, again, 10 grams of creatine monohydrate seems to be the dose. And then specifically on days that you're really trying to dial in, maybe you're mentally fatigued, that would be a day that I could recommend 20 grams of creatine monohydrate or something like that. And that's been shown to be effective in multiple studies. Those studies will all be linked down in the bio. So again, when it comes to creatine monohydrate, a dose of 5 grams all the way up to 30 grams seems to be safe. The study that they performed in this did multiple years, I believe it was 36 months of consistent use with no adverse effects. And we'll look that up. We'll also add that into the bio. So stay within that range. My recommendation, again, 5 grams if you're just looking for the physical benefits. If you're looking for the performance benefits on the mental side of things, jump it to 10 grams every single day. Timing doesn't matter with creatine. So it doesn't matter if you're working out or not working out, just get your dose in every day. As long as you're doing that, you're good to go. Keep it simple. Now, when it comes to creatine, we obviously lead the way with Latino flavors. We're a Latino-owned brand, and we're looking to put Latino flavors at the very top of the supplement industry. Now, we have different size options. We have a 120 serving tub. That's gonna get you 4 months worth of creatine. That's definitely your best bang for your buck in terms of budget on a price per serving basis. But we also have these on-the-go stick pack bags. Now, these bags contain 30 sticks, so a full month supply of sticks just like this. They're preloaded. So this has 5 grams of creatine monohydrate, so no need for a scoop or a tub. Tear the top off, pour it into your drink, and that's it. Now we have it in flavored options like mangonada here or horchata here, but we also have it in our unflavored option, which we also have in a tub as well. So you have plenty of options to choose from. Oh, and we have it in variety packs. So plenty of options to choose from when you're shopping creatine with us. As always, produced in a GMP, NSF, and FDA registered facility, and we are third-party tested. So if you're looking for creatine, that link will be in the bio. We appreciate you guys. I hope this helps. Make sure you guys share and subscribe. That's it. We're out of here.